chilling to do. One more get the breaking the color barrier conference. Plenty of good things that going on in y'all. Even some good coffee and things like that. The North is someone to chill every morning. The grumpy down because you ain't had your coffee yet, y'all. But we want to change up what kind of coffee you want to drink. So we got Sister Mel right here that done introduce a new product and things like that. Now this brochure you gave actually says health conscious coffee. Now I know somebody wants to know, how is coffee health conscious? Okay, how is that possible? And I see my hands are full of little packs that also say the same thing. So now, I love the colors. Y'all see that, right? Black gold. So now, tell me, why is this in a black gold pack? What makes it so rich and conscious?
Okay. Any kind of caffeine is going to take oxygen out of your blood, and that's not a good thing. Right. So we infuse all of our coffees and all of our teas with Gullah. Gullah is a plant that is grown only in China and Japan because the conditions there are right for the right. And we take the extract from the Gullah and infuse it into our coffee and our tea. Gullah puts oxygen back into your blood at about the same rate that the caffeine is taken out of your blood. So now you stay oxygenated. That's one of the properties. Another thing is that with coffee, oftentimes you'll get a jolt, a high,
right, and then you crash.
With this, we balance that out with the Gullah,
right,
and you don't get the jitters that you normally get with coffee.
Okay.
I'm highly, highly sensitive to caffeine, and I can drink coffee.
Really? Okay, because I have heard that from people that they don't drink coffee because it makes them nervous. So basically with this, because of the Gullah that you mentioned, it smooths that out. Okay.
Now the Gullah, we have a sheet which I'm going to give you that has a lot of the health benefits of Gullah, which is called Geechee in this country. Geechee. Okay. Who may not have heard Gullah.
Right.
Okay, and one of them is blood pressure benefits. The owner of the company has high blood pressure and it is normalized with drinking coffee. Now, we are not doctors, so we never make any medical claims.
Right.
But you can see here that 2 controlled clinical trials have shown that Geechee could lower high blood pressure significantly. And so we have,
and that's infused in
the coffee. So we have more people in the United States of America drink coffee than drink water.
I've heard that.
We have millions of adults
drinking coffee. And we have now children even drinking coffee.
Yes.
Right. And now it's interesting because this particular coffee company, like most people probably know, coffee comes from the motherland most times, right? And then you have some in South America and all that. But this company is owned by an African.
The company is owned 100% by an African American.
Isn't it?
Not owned by African American
and other ethnic. Totally African American. So that even makes it more unique. It adds even more color and richness here at the Breaking the Color Barrier Conference. So even in that regard, you know, to get out and support each other in business.
Yes, and one of the things that he has done, he's made this company into the consumer-to-consumer marketing. So that means that with so many people who have been downsized,
right,
or just out of job altogether, right, can now use this as a means of either supplementing their income or starting a career because and we need distributors all over the country. So we have, in some states, we don't even have any distributors
at all.
Okay. So we are so excited about the health benefits and the wealth benefits, which is why we do it as a black and gold.
Yes, for that richness. And so now folks can reach you at this website right here, which is www.healthconsciouscoffee.com. I think that's pretty easy to remember, since that's what we've been talking about this whole time. And y'all know me, I'm always pushing drinking water, drink more water, drink more water. But for those of you who are already addicted to the other coffee, maybe we can wean you off by you getting some of this health-conscious coffee. All right?
And we want to say that when you type in www.healthconscious, you have to add coffee, S on coffee. Healthconsciouscoffees.com.
Okay, excellent.
Yes. And of course, if you want to refer to me, my ID number is 0043.
All right. right, 0043. So if you want to go ahead and purchase directly from our sister here, make sure you add that 0043 in there when you go to the website. And definitely, if you want to chill and go get some and can't leave it down your phone, it's good. Send me an email, y'all. We want to get it about. Please don't drink the coffee. But we want to know if the other rest are chilling, who know what all about, if the thing all right. Okay, so let we know. And for sure, we thank you. We thank the company for being out here. And we definitely look forward to hearing about its growth, hearing about your growth in the company and everything, and for all of us to become more health conscious together. It's always a plus. It's always rich. Yes, definitely. So Hunter Chiller, right there, you know me, I always go and find the black gold. So here it is again, Queen Quet reporting to you from Breaking the Color Barrier Conference here in hot Atlanta. I told you before, it's getting hotter. How much hotter do you want than getting some coffee and black gold? All right, we're going to be back with some more, but that'll what's going on.